This isn't just a new Toyota. This is the Land Cruiser legacy, reborn. Meet the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. Compact in size, serious off-road DNA. Delayed to 2026, not by choice, but by precision. Built on a ladder frame chassis, not a soft crossover. Boxy design, short overhangs, real ground clearance. Spare tire on the back, because this one means business. Estimated price? Accessible. Real Land Cruiser power without full-size cost. Gas or hybrid options, built for trails and daily life. Small Land Cruiser, big attitude. The 2026 Land Cruiser FJ, adventure simplified.